Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes with Carolina Cooker, and today we're going to be cooking a green chili pork loin with wild boar that was taken out of Johnston County, and we're going to be cooking that in our Carolina Cooker Dutch oven with the Carolina Cooker tripod stand over a wood burning fire. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off heating up our oil in the Dutch oven, and while that's heating up, I'm going to take our boar and we're going to season it with some salt and pepper, and then we're going to throw a little Carolina Cooker Cajun seasoning on here. So now we're going to go ahead, get down here, we're going to slide the pork in there, nice sizzle, nice and hot. But we're going to go ahead and take our pork, put it right here, and we're going to set it to the side for just a few minutes while we cook everything else. We're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. And we're going to start with our onion. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add our garlic. We're going to go ahead and take our tomato paste. We're going to dump that right in here. All right, then we're going to take our peppers. We have poblano peppers here, some jalapeno peppers for a little bit of kick, parsley, cilantro, and then we're going to take the rest of our Carolina Cooker seasoning. We're just going to dump that right in there. So we've got diced tomatoes in the juice, chicken stock, juice of 1 lime. Then we're going to take 2 bay leaves. We're going to take the pork now, set that right on top. All right, we'll give it about 30 minutes. We'll come back and check on it. All right, so we've had the green chili pork in for about 35 minutes now. You want to make sure that your pork is up to a 165 degrees internal temp so it's safe to eat. All right, so there we go. Campfire green chili pork over Carolina gold rice. Now remember, wild game doesn't need to be intimidating. It just needs to be prepared properly to enjoy tasty meals at home, and we'll see you next time.